Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Asus ROG Phone 6, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up Nearby Share and how to use Nearby Share on this device. Okay, firstly you need to open a control panel, then enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. Okay. Now find Nearby Share, enable it, click turn on, cool, and then click and hold on Nearby Share, wait a while, click add or verify, agree. Here you can change your device name, here you can change device visibility mode, I suggest to use everyone mode. You can change data usage mode, I suggest to use data mode because it includes Wi-Fi and mobile data and Bluetooth. And cool, now we can send or receive data using Nearby Share on our device. For example, I want to share this image from my gallery on my OnePlus device. So to send a file from another Android device to your device, you need to click share via Nearby Share, wait a while, find here on this panel your ROG device, click accept on your ROG device, and cool, as you can see, image was successfully immediately sent. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you!